Let's see how the gold has done yesterday. The week started here yesterday with a small bearish candle that has been formed after the bullish breakout of the previous Friday, the previous week, which I have mentioned on the weekly analysis on a Saturday that I am expecting that the price will continue to rise in value because of this bearish breakout. But also it's very important to see how the Monday will open. Will there be a gap or there will be no gap, and also how the price will close the day. Now we can see that the price is formed a small bearish candle where we have a small wick on the lower side and a small wick on the lower side on the upper side, and the price did not go below this area of support 3355.61, which means this bullish breakout that has been formed on a Friday has been confirmed with the next candle, which is usually means that the price will continue to move in the direction of the bullish breakout. Now we can see that the price has done today. In the first few hours the price was jumping up and down, which means there was volatility, high volatility on the market, where the price has reached this support level, bouncing from this area of support and try to rise in value. Currently it is a bullish candle forming, but it is just forming a candle during the day. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see how the price is currently behaving. Now we can see that the price has moved slightly down. We can see that from this area of resistance slightly down and then continue to rise in value, reaching this area of resistance, then bouncing back down, and we can see that currently we have a strong pretty large candle that has been jumping up and down. This is what we have seen, that where the price has reached this area of support, it has bounced back up, reaching the resistance level on the 4-hour time frame 3385.31. We can see also that this is a 4-hour time frame candle that has closed above these candles here and also this candle here, which means a bullish momentum is much stronger than it is bearish, and we can see it is trying to move higher. On the 1-hour time frame we can see how the price has behaved. Since yesterday we can see the price was jumping up and down between this area of support and the resistance. Could not find any clear movement, and we can see it was trying to move higher but could not make this area here, and then slightly move it down, reaching this area of support and then continue to lose its value to 3355.61. This is the daily support. We can see the price has bounced, and we can see today the price has opened with a strong bullish momentum, a pretty strong bullish candle that has took the price all the way here. The price is currently slightly retracing back down, where the probably will price stop around 3371.21, where is probability that the price will try to rise in value. What we can expect today? Based on this one, what I can see, it is bullish breakout that has been confirmed, and we can see the price has reached this area of support, bouncing back up and trying to move higher. I'm expecting that the price will rise in value. You can see that already I have opened a buy order here with the target right here, and I have informed the traders about this bullish breakout immediately yesterday, and I have informed them, sending information what is the target. And we can see that currently the price will try to move this area of resistance, a supply zone around 3398.97, the next target for the daily time frame, and the target is just slightly before that, to exit before the trade, before the price reaches this area of resistance. So I'm expecting that the price will rise in value, and we can see the price is trying to move in that direction, but there is still bearish sentiment that is preventing the price from easily moving up, and that is much more clearly on the lower time frames. And we can see this is here where the price is having an issue. These are the sellers where I am waiting, and these are the buyers that are pushing. And we can see that currently the buyers are much stronger because of this bullish candle has been formed on the 4-hour time frame. It is suggesting, at least what I can see, the price will try to move to the higher price levels. Now the price is returning slightly back down, where this area of support 3371.21 could be an area where the price will bounce and then continue to rise in value. Then we will see how the price behaves. Especially it's very important to see how the price closes around this area of support. Will there be a bearish breakout, or will the price close this 4-hour time frame slightly above, which will be also a confirmation of this strong bullish momentum that has pushed the price up, which means the buyers are much stronger than the sellers. The sellers cannot push the price back down. But if the price goes below that, this will mean also the bears are still pushing the price down. There could be again this small range area where the price needs to find enough strength to go in one of the directions. But I'm more inclined to see the price reaching higher price levels, which you can see right now, based on this one, what I can see on the market. Feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders to receive these premium updates during the day, where I send the information when there is bullish or bearish breakouts on the market. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.